Today, we will learn about our country, India. We will learn where India lies on world map, nearer countries, and sea surrounded by India, area, languages spoken by people, various states and its capital, union territories of India, central and state government, geography, our national symbol, national animals, things, festival, and many more important facts. Let's start with world map. This is our world map. Total 5 oceans in world like Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Pacific is the largest ocean and Arctic is the smallest ocean. Our world divided into 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. India lies in South Asia that you see in our world map. Now let's learn about some important fact about India. India is very big country. It is the 7th largest country area-wise in the world. It is second populated after China. Indian people speak 23 languages include English. India shares its boundaries with many countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Sri Lanka, Maldives are nearest neighbors. India is surrounded by the Bay of Bengal in east, the Arabian Sea in west, the Indian Ocean in south, Lakshadweep Sea in southwest. Here you see the area of India. India is divided into smaller parts called states. India has 28 states. Every state has its capital that you see in this table, that also show in map. Rajasthan is the largest state in the India and Goa is the smallest state. Total 22 languages recognized by our constitution. Hindi is our national language. Official language of India are Hindi and English. Oldest language of India is Sanskrit. Our country has 2 governments, central government and the state government. Both governments work together to ensure the safety and welfare of people. Politics of India. Country works within the framework of the country's constitution. India is a federal parliamentary democratic republic. The President of India is the head of state. The Prime Minister of India is the head of government. Constitution is the Constitution of India. Leader is the Prime Minister. Meeting place is the Parliamentary House. Let's learn about central government. India became independent on 15 August 1947. Independence gives us the right to choose the people who would govern us. During election, people cast their vote, choose some people. Elected people form government. People more than 18 years has a right to vote. The central government makes law for the entire country. Its office in New Delhi, the capital of India. The President and the Vice President, the Prime Minister, work from the New Delhi. The officer and other minister also live and work from New Delhi. The President of India lives in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first President of India. The central government difficult to solve the problem of all people, so state government is elected. Now let's learn about state government. Each state elects its own government called state government. The state government looks after the welfare of people living in that state. Governor, the chief minister, other minister and the senior officer work for state. They all live and work in state capital. There are 28 states and 28 state government. Now let's learn about Union Territory. There are some parts of India which are not included in the 28 states. These are called Union Territories. They are governed by central government. There are 7 Union Territories including the National Capital Territories of Delhi. Here are the Union Territories. Andaman and Nicobar Island, its capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh, its capital is Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, its capital is Silvassa. Ladakh, its capital is Leh Kargil. Lakshadweep, its capital is Kavarati. Pondicherry, its capital is Pondicherry. National Capital Territory of Delhi, its capital is Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, its capital Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Now let's see geography of India. Thara Desert in Rajasthan, Run of Kutch in Gujarat, snowfall in north is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. Highest rainfall in Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. Deccan Plateau, Plains. Highest point Kanchenjunga. Longest river Ganga. Largest lake Vallar Lake. Highest mountain Himalaya. Our national song is Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Our national symbol is Ashok Chakra. National motto is Satyameva Jayate. Here we show the national emblem. National flag is tricolor, that is Tiranga. National currency is Indian rupees. National animal is Royal Bengal tiger. National heritage animal is elephant. National aquatic animal is dolphin. National instrument is veena. National sport is hockey. National bird is peacock. National calendar is Saka calendar. National spice is turmeric. National vegetable is pumpkin. National tree is banyan tree. National fruit is mango. National flower is lotus. Let's see national festivals. Independence Day celebrated on 15 August. Republic Day celebrated on 26 January. Gandhi Jayanti celebrated on 2nd October. Thank you for watching our video. See you in next video.